Ano brother, pinakasagad mo na. Sige, actually pa-fast flip ko lang to eh.
Tsaka puro may itsura tao rito. Pumasok ko kanina, mukha akong snatcher eh.
Sige brother Butch, maraming salamat. I'll see you on Monday na lang.
Yeah, okay. After lunch.
Sige,
1 and 2.
Alright, thank you
Okay,
brother.
alright.
Bye. So this is what he wants. A black na diamond. Reference 116234 to white gold bezel. Sige, hanapan natin. See you on Monday. Mimit natin si brother Charles Jansen Chan. So he's watch geek, si watch geek. Hello brother Charles, kamusta? Doon ka sa kabila. Artista ka eh.
Ako eh.
Ito na yun?
Oo, sobrang sariwa.
Sobrang sariwa. Bibihisan ko pa to ng box tsaka manuals eh.
Mura na yun. Alam mo yung kapital
Uy,
yan.
actually mataas to. Pero ito talaga gusto niya na eh. May client eh. Oh, mataas ko eh. What's up guys? So this is the watch. Reference 116234. Big diamonds, black dial. Simple lang, di ba? Watch only. Brother Rods nga pala. Also, watch dealer din guys dito sa Pinas. Anong asking price mo?
Alam mo na yun, inaskihan kita ng 450 dyan, di ba?
Hindi mo kaya 430?
Hindi talaga kaya. Nakita mo na yung puhunan yan. Pinakita ko na sa logbook. Check yung bracelet condition, boss.
Hindi lelay.
Wala kang masasabi sa condition ng bracelet niyan, boss.
Ano brother? Pinakasagad mo na.
440 talaga. Yun na.
Yes, no, yun lang talaga.
Talaga. Alam mo
Kahit
na kapital
435 di kaya. Tingin mo, kunin mo na.
Pwede naman.
440 for this watch. Sige, actually pa-fast flip ko lang to eh. So I have my client coming in na
Uy, cash pa na ba yan?
done?
Thank you, brother.
Again, as always. Bye-bye. So yun guys, we got the watch. Ito talaga yung gusto ni Brother Butch Tan. So we got it watch only. Everything is okay naman. Sabi naman ni Brother Charles okay siya. So I believe him naman. And then bibihisan lang natin. So we'll provide manuals and box for this one. So tara, punta tayo sa shop. Ayusin natin. Brother Butch! Good afternoon pare. Brother Butch Tan in the house.
Oh yeah, 7-footer pala to si Hype.
Hindi mo 7-footer.
6'2 ako eh. Laki mo pala.
But the watch that you wanted, I have it.
Yan talaga yung dream
Yun
watch
yung sinend mo sa akin sa Viber nung nagkausap tayo na isang araw. It's here. I just got it earlier. Pa-fast flip ko lang to sa'yo.
Sige.
Sige. Anyway bro, bago pala to buksan, I heard that you're doing a trade, tama?
Yes.
So you have a watch with you.
I have.
But you want to trade with this. Can I take a look? An Oyster bracelet. An Oyster perpetual date. It's not a date just now. Okay? So this is a little older. Oyster bracelet, Oyster perpetual date. Can we check what year this is? N series, yes. 1992, I think. Checking now is the reference number. 223. This is a 34mm. Alam mo ba yun?
Hindi ko
It's
alam.
not a 36.
34.
This one also is not necessarily the fluted bezel. This is a different type of bezel. Okay. How long did you have this na?
Bought it 2009.
Decent condition. Ang problem ko lang is the sapphire. Medyo marami siyang chips. Winding it a little hard lang. Checking on the time graph. Ang maganda is 0.0 beat error siya.
Kaalaman, 101. Dami natin natutunan.
So I saw your watch. How much do you think you want for this watch?
Honestly, Chong, wala akong ka-idea.
How much did you get it for na lang? 2009?
Nako, hindi ko pwede sabihin. I got it for a good price eh.
I know you got it for a good price. 2009? How, like 110?
Ay, hindi naman. Sobra naman.
150.
A little over. ka.
Nonetheless, brother, I already have your watch.
Ito talaga in love ako rito. Sure. Hindi ako marunong magbukas ha.
Sige, yan lang.
Oh my gosh.
Diba? Is that the watch you want?
Wada. Grabe. Punta kayo dito sa Gentry, Chong. Na-educate ka na, naka-good deal ka pa. Hindi, tsaka nadaling hanapin eh, kanto. Dinadaanan ko lang to dati. Hindi dahil dito kay Hype, guys. Sakap. Excuse me. Trusted shop. Tatanong ka pa kung tama presyo. Kaya nga nilalagay online eh, para magre-react yung mga galing-galingan sa relo. Diba?
Okay, now, so we talk price.
Eto na.
Honestly, brother, this one, I'm selling for 550.
Okay.
Okay? Pero honestly for you, I can let it go for flat 500. Add ka na lang ng 300.
370.
Wrong, mali ako. 320 lang, not 370. 370 based on 550 na Ben. Pero binigay ko na sa'yo ng 500. Discountan pa kita pag trade value, walang discount dapat, diba? Oh, guys, iba kasi si Brother Butch Tan. So I hope you understand. Yung mga pupunta, sabihin nyo, bakit sir si Brother may discount kahit trade? Actually, I negotiated on your behalf na eh, against myself na kasi binaba ko from 550.
Galing mo. Ito na may serbisyong totoo ha. Patalo ka dito. Ako kasi, parang Hype. Hindi ako marunong sa tawaran eh.
What do you think?
O game na sa 300. Game na.
Di mo kaya 310?
Hindi talaga, brother eh. Actually, na-shock na nga ako sa 300 something eh. Kung kanino man ito mapupunta, napakaswerte. Ito, sobrang swerte sa akin na ito. So. Ito, wagalaw din naman.
Anyway, brother, 300, sige.
Yan!
Done deal. 300 plus ito, okay na ako to. Thank you so much, brother.
Thank you, Chong. Gentry, you have to come here. Parang Hives in the house. Everyone's in that. Tsaka puro may itsura tao rito. Pumasok ko kanina, mukha akong snatcher eh.
Oh, grabe.
So, ano ako? Union Bank.
I can do that. Better. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Thank you talaga.
Thank you so much.
Okay, transfer successful. Hopefully by December makabili ulit ako dito ng I'm eyeing another watch. Pepsi or Batgirl pala.
Payment received, 300,000. Thank you so much. It's been an honor.